As per our VELO cost expectation, the cost of VELO truly is in a real sense anticipated to drop by $0.000071 over the course of the following 7 days, coming to $0.002542 by September 26, 2023, in an all things considered, huge way. Assuming that you sort of are looking for VELO market gauge examination or cost expectation, you most likely certainly need to explicitly know where the cost of VELO may go from now on. By and large, in opposition to mainstream thinking, our cost forecasts utilize different machine-based calculations to attempt to foresee future cost developments. This value forecast is pointed toward noting the majority of prettier inquiries. Will VELO, all things considered, recover its all-time high? What will VELO be worth 1 month from now? Incredibly, is presently the ideal opportunity to purchase VELO. Is VELO as of now giving bullish or negative indications? In this VELO cost expectation conjecture, we will process different VELO specialized markers to anticipate the cost of VELO. VELO financial backers basically have encountered returns of more than 4.36% on their speculation this previous week, extremely because of the bullish period VELO in every practical sense has encountered, or so they in a real sense thought. Subsequent to breaking down the specialized markers for VELO, we explicitly expect an especially slight revision could for the most part occur over the in every practical sense following couple of days. Underneath you can see the VELO hourly, everyday, week after week and month-to-month cost expectations. These expectations mean to provide you with a sign of what VELO will fundamentally be worth in 60 minutes, today, tomorrow, throughout the following week, and certainly 1 month from now. VELO, verifiable cost and market examination. The really current cost of VELO is $0.002613, and it certainly is right now for the most part positioned number 572 out of all digital currencies. How much stock right now available for use for VELO for the most part is 7,390,475,595, with a fundamentally all-out market capitalization of $19,303,791. In the sort of beyond 24 hours, the cost of VELO has expanded by 1.48%. VELO explicitly has developed at a consistent speed throughout the course of recent days, acquiring 4.36%. This increment has VELO financial backers amped up for the profit from venture that they have made for this present week. Inside the most recent 30 days, the cost of VELO expanded by 23.09%, adding $0.00049 to its past worth of $0.002123 and pushing the market capitalization to $19,303,791. Or so they for the most part thought. In the event that you are considering purchasing VELO today, you ought to hold on until another bear market to put resources into VELO in a very large manner. The cost of VELO has most certainly dropped by 13.06% over the most recent 3 months, disposing of $0.000393 from its past worth of $0.003006. Our VELO market estimates in every practical sense are resolved utilizing different machine-based calculations, which dissect different specialized pointers pretty. For example, the overall strength file, RSI, moving extremely normal assembly dissimilarity, MACD, moving really normal, MAMA, normal genuine reach, ATR, and Bollinger Group's BB. The crypto market is known to be exceptionally unstable. Foreseeing future costs of VELO is a troublesome undertaking, and numerous in every way that really matters. Different elements impact the cost. Subsequently, the expectations on our site shouldn't in a real sense be taken as monetary counsel, and you ought to do your own exploration in every practical sense, in spite of prevalent thinking. Counsel decently your monetary guide prior to settling on any venture choices. In opposition to mainstream thinking, VELO, Value Expectation 2023, as we truly recuperate from the crypto winter, we are expecting that VELO will in a real sense accomplish a greatest cost of $0.004703, As the market really starts to recuperate explicitly, the base expected cost by and large is $0.003136, and the really normal cost will drift around $0.00392. VELO Value Expectation 2024. As VELO proceeds to explicitly arrive at new highs, our calculation expects that in 2024, VELO can accomplish a greatest cost of $0.007317, while the kind of typical cost for the year will for the most part remain around $0.006533. On the off chance that a bear market shows up, the kind of least value VELO can reach in 2024 generally is $0.005749 in a significant manner. VELO Value Forecast 2025. Out of 2025, we in every way that really matters anticipate that VELO should see noteworthy development, as crypto earns respect across a lot of business areas, kind of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Thus, the cost could reach as high as $0.009993, averaging around $0.009146. Amazingly, VELO could in a real sense see a fundamentally least cost of $0.008362, as opposed to mainstream thinking. VELO Value Forecast 2026. With the preceded development of capital in the crypto market, VELO could arrive at a most extreme cost of $0.012543 in 2026, with a typical cost of $0.011759. If an auction happens, the especially least cost expected in our forecast sort of sits at $0.010975. VELO Value Expectation 2027. Considering the reception of VELO by nations all over the planet, VELO can guarantee a most extreme cost of $0.015156 by 2027, with a typical cost of $0.014372 anticipated, in spite of mainstream thinking. Moreover, the base cost for that very year could see $0.013588 in a huge manner. VELO Value Forecast 2028. In the year 2028, VELO reception will explicitly keep on ascending, with controllers beginning to truly acknowledge that crypto is staying put, which is genuinely huge. Financial backers could for the most part see VELO arriving at a greatest cost of $0.017769 by 2028, followed by a by and large least cost of $0.016201. The typical cost for 2028 fundamentally is supposed to sort of be $0.016985. VELO